Very good morning, everyone. Welcome back our online classes. Myself, Rodda Pramila, lecturer in Commerce, Government Degree College, Siddipet. Today, our lecture is Functions of Management. Functions of Management. We are learning about management from few days. It's very important topic in our subject. It topic covers become first semester, first year students. The subject is business organization management. So today we are learn about nature of management process. What is the functions of management? What is a management? It is a work done proceedings and the functions of management. Today our topics nature of management process and features of management process and classification of management process and interrelationship between management functions. So first of all, we are seeing another slide. It is features of management. What is the features? First, what is the management? Nature of management. Management is a process which brings the source human and material resources together and motivates people for the achievement of objectives of the organization. It is the objectives of the organization. Achievement, people for the achievement of objectives of the organization, right? Who have a goal, it is achieving the objective of the organization. The management is not a one time act. It is not a one time act but an ongoing series, right? It is ongoing series of interrelated activities. What is that? Interrelated activities. The sum total of these activities is known as management process. What is it? It is a management practice and process activities. Total of these sum of the total of activities, right? It consists of a set of interrelated operations. Set of interrelated operations are functions necessary to achieve desired organizational goals, right? Now, a process is a systematic way of doing things. What is that? It is processing, continuously doing things. It is concerned with conversation of inputs into outputs, inputs and into outputs also. And analysis of management process will enable us to know the functions which managers perform. It is the managers perform. Now we are explain. Now I am explaining about features of management. What is the features? Management process is characterized by the following features. What is features? It is characterized the management. Number one, social process. What is social process? It is social process also. The entire management process is regarded as a social process, as the success of all organizational efforts depends upon the willing cooperation of people. It is willing cooperation of people, right? Managers guide and direct, influence and control the actions of other to achieve stated goals. Right? Even people outside the organizations are influenced by the actions of managers. The manager's action influenced by organization outside people, right? This why social process. It is a management is a social process, right? Now second one, continuous process. The process of management is ongoing and continuous. Ongoing and continuous process. Continuous process. It is management is ongoing and continuous process. Managers continuously take up one or the other functions. They are take up one or another other functions. The managers. Management cycle is repeated over and over again, right? It is managers action. It is repeated and over again. Each managerial function is viewed as a sub-process of total management process. It is sub-process of total management process, right? This is why it is a continuous process of management. Management is a continuous process. Now we are seeing third point, universal, right? Universal. You remember it completely. Total features number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 5. It is important you are all remember. Now universal, third point. Management functions are universal in the sense that a manager has to perform them irrespective of the size and nature of the organization. It is size of and nature of the organization. Each manager performs the same functions regardless of his rank of position in the organization. Even in a non-business organization, managerial functions are the same. So this way the management is universal. Okay. Now fourth one point, interactive. Management is also a interactive process. Managerial functions are continued within each other. The performance of the next function does not start only when the earlier function is finished, right? Earlier function finished, after The next function is started only. Various functions are taken together. For example, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling may occur within staffing functions. These are all the staffing functions. One of the planning, and the second one organizing and directing and controlling also. Similarly, organizing may require planning, directing and controlling. Organizing what to do, what done a work, and means planning, directing and controlling. So all functions can be thought of as sub functions of each other. So this why management is a interactive process function, right? Now we are seeing another function feature, that one fifth point, composite, right? Composite. All managerial functions are composite and integrated. There cannot be any sequence which can be strictly followed for performing various functions. The sequential concept may be true in a newly started business where functions may follow a particular sequence, but the same will be not applied to a going concern. Any function may be taken up first, or many functions may be taken up at the same time. First off and the same time. Many functions same time started, and many functions take up first or many functions. That's why composite also a management feature, right? These are all the management features. Number one, social process. Number 2, continuous process. Number 3, universal. 4, interactive. 5, composite. Right? Now we are going to another slide, and it is classification of management functions, right? Classification of management functions. Different authors have given different managerial functions, right? Different authors that's why different managerial functions. Henry Fayol was the first to define specific functions of management. He defines in his words. What is the define? He was to manage is to forecasting and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. He has given the some following functions. It is following functions. Number 1, forecasting and planning. Number 2, organizing. Number 3, commanding. Number 4, coordinating and controlling. Forecasting and planning. Planning is a very important function. Any work you done, it a reasonable result you want it, you You have must a plan. Do a plan. Through a plan, it's done your victory. Right? Next, organizing and commanding and coordination and control. Luther Gluck used the word postcard to describe various functions. Postcard is describes various functions. Thus, this initial describes the functions. What is that? P means planning. O means organizing. Yes. Yes meaning staffing. D for directing. CO for controlling. R for reporting. And B for budgeting. Ralph Davis gave 3 functions of management. 3 functions of management. What is that? Planning, organizing and control. He was of the view that command and coordination facilitate control. So these should be part of it. Kunst and O'Donnell have adopted the following functions. Kunst and O'Donnell to be defined some organizing functions. What is that? Number 1, planning. Number 2, organizing. Number 3, staffing. Number 4, directing. And number 5, controlling. Ernest Daly has included innovation and representation to the earlier mentioned functions. G.R. Terry classified managerial functions under 4 hands. There, Terry B. defined the management. It is 4 types: planning, organizing, activating and controlling. It can be seen that there is no agreement but specific functions to be performed by the management. However, the following comprehensive classification can be given a various managerial functions. It is number 1, planning. Number 2, organizing. Number 3, staffing. Staffing means leadership, communication, motivation, supervision in the staffing. And 4th point, directing. 5th, coordinating. 6th, controlling. So, today what we learn, functions of management. It is nature of management process and features of management process, classification of management functions, enter relationship between management functions. Right? Features of management process. How many features of management process? What is that? Number 1, social process. Number 2, continuous process. And number 3, universal. And number 4, interactive. Number 5, composite. And features of management. What is the features of management? And what is the classification of management? Classifications: forecasting and planning, organizing, and third one commanding, and fourth one coordination, fifth one control. These are all the classification of management functions. So thank you, students. This lesson you must remember it, and it is asked for questions in the examination. So I hope you are all it is understand today lesson. Thank you so much.